How to assemble a self-propelled Commode wheelchair. Open the main body. Install the backrest. Remove the lock. Push down the backrest. Reinstall the lock. Install the armrest. Before installing the armrest, make sure the flat side is facing inside the wheelchair. Hold the button to install the armrest and adjust the height. Install the seat. There are 4 clamps under the seat. Make sure the U-shape is facing in front while installing. Push down. Install the bucket. Remove the cover while using. Just put under the seat. Remove the cover for Commode function. Otherwise, just put under the seat. Install the leg rest. Make sure the footbed is facing inside and it is locked. Install the leg rest carefully. You can adjust the height of the foot plate. If you want to put it into your car, dismantle the wheelchair. First, dismantle the leg rest. Adjust the armrest to the lowest. Remove the backrest. Remember to put back the lock. Dismantle the seat. Don't forget to remove the bucket before dismantling the seat. Close the main body. You can put the wheelchair into your car now. You can remove the wheels if you need some more space. Hold the button in the middle of the wheel to remove it. Amazing! Hold the button to put back the wheels. Make sure the wheels are installed. Thank you for watching. Search elder.asia to learn more.